Hello friends, today we will discuss module water and water technology. So, as all of you know, water is nature's most wonderful, abundant and useful compound. Uh, in the distribution of water on the earth's surface is extremely uneven. Only 3% of fresh water we can use, and out of that 3%, less than 1% is surface water. Means nearly 99% of the usable quantity is situated underground. So it is important to use water very wisely. So it was only during the decade of 1960 the terms such as water and air pollution, protection of the environment and ecology become household words. So the number of compounds are obtained and purified with the help of water. In nature, water is never pure. Different types of impurities are present in it, and the impurities affect the qualities of water. So, it is necessary before using the water, we must know the impurities contained in water. So, depending upon that, the natural water is mainly classified into three types. Natural water impurities is mainly classified into three types, that is physical impurities, chemical impurities and biological impurities. So physical impurities can be observed by the color impurity, turbidity impurity, taste impurity and odor impurity. So in water, color is caused by metallic substances like salts. uh, Turbidity is due to the colloidal, extremely fine suspensions such as insoluble substances like clay, sleet, and microorganisms. Presence of dissolved minerals in water produces taste. For example, bitter taste can be due to the presence of iron, aluminium, and manganese. So these are responsible for the impurities. Then regarding odor in water, it is undesirable for domestic as well as industrial purpose. The next, chemical impurities. Chemical impurities can be of two types: inorganic chemical impurity and organic chemical impurity. So inorganic chemical impurity contains cations and different anions, and organic chemical impurities are because of the dyes, paints, petroleum products, pesticides, etc. Then third type is the biological impurities. Biological impurities are algae, fungi, pathogenic bacteria, viruses, pathogens, parasite worms, etc. So this is the one way to classify impurities present in water. There is another way to classify the impurities present in water, and on the basis of that way, the impurities present in water are classified as suspended impurities, colloidal impurities, dissolved impurities, and pathogenic microorganisms. The suspended impurities can be of two types: inorganic suspended impurity and organic suspended impurity. Then next, colloidal impurities. The large particle above impurities settle down on standing, but smaller particles remain dispersed in colloidal form. So these include finely divided silica, clay, organic waste products, coloring materials, and amino acids. So these are responsible for the colloidal impurities. Then dissolved impurities because of the inorganic salts, gases, dissolved organic matter, etc. And then for the pathogenic microorganism, impurities are because of the microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae, etc. So these enter into the water bodies through sewage and other waste. So these are the different ways. In that ways we can classify the impurities present in water. uh, in the next lecture we will see the next term related to the water. Thank you.